Oké, geeks, we all say that now. We all say that. Ik kan misschien een recording maken, maar ik kan.
Chad, what is up, guys? Welcome back for another New York session with myself and Jev. Hope you guys are doing well. Jev, how you doing, my man?
I'm doing great. Very excited for the session. How are you guys doing?
Doing good. I don't know if Moski's there, Mr. Let us know how the sound is. Otherwise, guys, just let us know on your side. How's it sounding? Are we loud enough? The music good? Just let us know, and we can then start making our adjustments where it need be. Just let us know how everything sounds, guys, and then we can start getting into the markets. Sound is good. Welcome back, guys. Nice chat earlier. Awesome, bro. Glad you enjoyed it. It was like awesome having you guys there with us. Why is this thing not on? I can't hear myself. Alright, guys. Yeah, I'm just trying to figure this out quickly. Yeah, welcome back. Yeah, good morning. I've just realized that Keeps talk much. Good morning. I've just realized that Keegs talks much quieter than everyone else, so sound is good. Yeah, there's times where obviously we get a bit worked up and we get excited, but yeah, I think majority of the time I definitely talk a bit softer. Definitely a bit softer than Chris, I think.
I also can't hear Keegan through the earphones. No.
I can like just hear the music.
The music getting louder.
Yeah, I think it's in the music sounds so loud. Yeah. If you put that other one up now, then the music's so loud.
Yeah, talk, can you hear yourself though?
Yeah, I can hear myself now. Yeah, so there I can hear myself now.
Cool.
Yeah, there. That's so much better.
Yeah.
Can we just bring the music a bit down over there? Or must I bring it down the side?
Yeah, bring it down on your side. Wait, before you talk, quickly keep it ready. Okay, I just want to see the music there. Bring it down. Bring it down there.
That's like literally as low as it can go.
How's the music now?
Still quite loud. Still the same. It was only that end one, yeah, that brings the music down from what I saw.
What's going on exactly?
So I can hear myself now, but the music is just very loud. Like it's literally almost off here, but
Oh,
it's
okay,
super
okay.
loud in my headset.
Really?
Yeah.
How's it now?
No, still the same.
Really?
Yeah. Chris put that one on the end, the third one on the end, he put that up, and now the music is very loud.
Yeah, this one, right?
No, on the side, I think. Third
Oh.
one.
The,
Is it this?
the one next to it?
Yeah, the third one.
Yeah, now the music's softer, but I don't, yeah, I can't hear myself now, yeah. Otherwise, we'll just find a happy medium then. Well, the music, the volume in general is like very low now. I can see on the side, yeah. Yeah, sorry guys, we moved the setup from the podcast, so we move it all over. So now we just got to quickly rearrange and reset everything up again. Yeah, it's not looking too bad. Can I go up a little bit more?
I think over here.
I can't hear myself, but the volume is looking good.
How's that? Speaker?
Still nothing. Sound is low. Now we can almost not hear you, Keeks. can't hear anything you are saying, Keegs. Alright there, now I can hear myself crystal clear. Yeah, white noises in the background. Just testing, 1 2 1 2. I can hear Keegs fine. Okay, there we go, that's already sounding better. That's a little better.
Quickly talk.
Yeah, testing 1 2 1 2. Little better, still soft. Testing. There we go. I think we're on the money at this point now. Just let us know there, guys. But I think this is on the money now. That is good on our end. Yeah, there we go. I think this is perfect now. We can work with this.
Well.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. As I said, we did just have the podcast, so moving everything back over, we just got to quickly figure it all out. But yeah, just making sure now you guys can hear. Sound is good. As you always say, New York is a very quick run through. It is also Friday, so not going to be expecting anything too crazy. But we are here. Maybe we even still get a little 1-to-1, but we are going to be on it. So DXY, guys, as we said for the day, we are bearish on it. We're going to get right into this. So you can see we are bearish. To me, again, I've kept saying to you guys, this has always just been another pullback for me. So if we take the fib even, we can take it from that low point or high point before we took the move. We broke just past the 61, but again, closing back on the 50. So can be a nice place of retracement. If we look on the weekly still closing very nicely bearish as well. So on the 50 minute, we can see nicely how we basically came in, starting the day, setting the highs, taking the lows, getting the daily pivot and the EQ. Basically faking out, as I said, this is where we want the fake outs, but then you have to be going up. The fact we failed, didn't even retest those highs, we are basically just setting bearish order flows. You guys can see here, going to the S1 where we tried to go back to retest Asia lows where we failed and came in back down. So we definitely can see that sweep to the bottom still come with the 80 going bearish. So I definitely am bearish on the day for New York session for the dollar. But we are still going to wait and see what happens there. Obviously, we've got PMI. PMI coming out now in 38 minutes, guys. So definitely going to keep our eyes open for that one. So we might actually only take a trade after that, but best know we are going to be waiting for it, so don't you worry. But jumping over to gold, guys, I saw all the messages, gold running away before the session, but doing as we expected. So on the day, I said to you guys, I'm neutral in the sense I am more bullish, purely because of, again, this just being a perfect retracement. But again, we have a no bottom daily, no bottom wick, and we haven't still tested this 1980 zone. But at the same time, I am bullish on the day. Obviously, being bearish on the dollar means I am more bullish on gold. So if we go to the 15, we can see what happened. I said to you guys, we were just going to play it safe but neutral and basically react off of this zone. So you can see what happened the whole day. We've been testing over here, coming up, rejection, all the way back down to Asia lows, coming back up, rejection, failed to test Asia lows. This was our key point now. We couldn't take these lows. So what do you want to do? You want to go set new highs. Obviously having the EQ and the daily pivot being tested. So we wanted a closure above this zone, this little area over here. So you guys can see that was our first closure. We would have got in over there. And you can see my normal stop at 25. We would have been safe here. And this thing basically came for the retest, and it's just run since. So anyone that knows how I trade, if you were watching the markets, we were in the podcast, so unfortunately we missed out on this, but it was a beautiful trade. Again, as I said, that is our current break and closure. You enter over there, your 25, so 250, there's a 247 even, so even less, and you can see how beautifully that ran. Already a 2.5 R trade, so that would have been beautiful, but unluckily we got that just before. But again, maybe we get the retracement, we will see what we can get in a New York Open. Now, maybe nothing too crazy, but hopefully we get some type of pullback, we can maybe get in on the trade still. Otherwise, I'm going to probably be looking at Nas, guys. So Nas and US30, I am bullish. So what are we going to be looking at here? If you look on the daily, as I said to you guys, we have just been forming, again, same thing, nice pullback, and now continuing to the top side. What I always say I love when I see these on daily candles, we want to be taking out the low of the previous day, which you guys can see we've done over there perfectly. Thank you so much. So we've taken that out now. So we've swept those lows. We can now start trading up. All right. So when we look on the 4 hour, I think I drew it. Where did I draw it? Over there. That's where we want to be breaking until we go bearish. But for now, I think we can even be looking at this key point over here. That's probably our area of retention for now. So when we go to the 15, when we get back above that zone, we are going to be flipping bullish very nicely. Over here, you can already see how market's been reacting off of that zone. If we go to the 30, I think it might even be a little bit more cleaner. Some not necessarily. On the 5, there we go. We can see our price has been reacting perfectly off of this zone for us. So we're just going to wait to get a nice closure back above. Maybe hold this area as support, the S1. So we'll see if we can hold the S1 as support. We'll then trade. Once we get back above this zone, we can look enter to go take Asia lows, the EQ, and basically just continue all the way up to the R1 and even possibly the weekly resistance. So this can be a very, very massive trade if it can play out and we can get an entry in on there. But because it's a big trade, that also allows lots of areas for us to enter on, guys. So we'll just keep an eye on for that one. If we go to US30 now, a very, very similar move. Again, I'd like to see, because we've already had a big retracement on US30, I'd like to see with market open a nice pushback down to the daily pivot and the EQ, possibly even Asia lows. And again, that's our area. If we start breaking below there, that's where I'll start flipping bearish. But we want to see a little bit of a pushback, maybe even Asia lows, to get back above Asia highs, even just the daily pivot, look for longs, and then go long from there. Same thing, massive move to the top side. We were saying a lot of people think these are like, oh, super highs, but again, nothing too crazy. Our weekly target is over here, so I do believe we can make the move there, guys. When you see it like this, nothing too crazy for US30. Definitely been quite a bit of a moving day already, but again, nothing too crazy. US30's had bigger days, so definitely can have that little push more to go get these daily highs over here and finish the week strong. But that is it for me, guys. That is what I'm looking at. Gold unfortunately leaving before us, so might be off the table for today. I'm actually really starting to miss gold. We haven't got a trade there in a while. Predicted it right quite a few times, but we just are not getting the trades in our sessions. But what I'm going to be doing is US30 and NAS. We have our alerts in. We're going to be keeping a close eye on those ones. Jeff, what are you looking at, my brother?
So from my side, DXY is currently trading at the S1, so I change of character there as well. Currently within the fair value gap. If we can see price tapped this demand zone on the 5 minute, we could see the dollar index move towards the upside. And then on GU, I'm expecting price to form to actually create myself a nice little change of character and then give me a fair value gap so I can go short. Euro USD is almost at my zone, so I'm looking at 1.09250 more or less to potentially go short from there. So right now only looking at GU and Euro USD, both short. Pretty much, yeah, pretty simple.
That all you're looking at for today?
Yeah, only those two pairs.
Okay, all right. Definitely can work with that. So guys, very, very short today, but we got PMI, so who knows, maybe PMI will put some more cards on the table for us. But again, I am going more bearish.
What time is PMI?
I think it's 4:45.
Okay.
Over here, it just shows me 32 minutes time. It's just look at Forex Factory, they'll give me a complete answer. But I think it's 4:45 for us. Yeah, 4:45.
Okay, awesome.
So that's why I might not even take a trade straight off the 15-minute shuffle. I know you don't wait for that, but I might. Yeah, I'll wait, because that's literally going to give you one 15-minute candle and then you're going to go into news. So I don't see you getting a trade in and getting quite a bit of breathing room before that trade can hit news. So we just going to stay with that one. Obviously, US30 I'm looking at now. AD is starting to converge. And NAS actually flipping bearish now. So very, very interesting on that side. DXY also staying, was bullish, flipping bearish. So that can also get quite interesting. I think that will be a nice one. That does melt to the bottom. We can get some nice trades there today, guys. But again, if such a pity with gold, really bleak about that one. Trade played out perfectly. But let's see, guys. We are just going to wait. Obviously, we got 15 minutes till market open, and then we'll see. GJ again, new highs. Yo, guys, it was such a bleak one. So I actually was in a GJ trade, and I was sitting like just above break even, going into the podcast. So I was like, nah, you know what? It's Friday. Like, I'm literally starting the new account. I don't want to like not be able to monitor the trade if I start coming down. Like, I can't manage it. So I killed it, and literally when we finish the podcast, I go and check it, and this thing like smash TP. So was a bit of a bleak one, but yeah. What are they predicting for PMI today? Are they predicting an increase? 50, 49. So they expecting to drop, but almost a pause, basically. Like, that is on a drop, that's like nothing. So that'll be very, very interesting. Last 2 months we came out higher. Last month came out higher. Yo. I must still say, guys, I think it's going to come on high again. It'll be very interesting. It might, again, maybe that's the comeback. That's where dollar can flip and turn this whole party bus around. Gold does need a bottom wick on the 4 hours, so it might give us an entry. That's the thing, guys. It's something to look out for, but it doesn't, because, for example, there's no 4 hour, doesn't mean it has to. And the thing is, like, on a 4 hour, so keep in mind, on the 4 hour, you broke this resistance area. You can see there the resistance, and on resistance over there, well, support and then resistance. You've destroyed that zone. So, like, all this thing needs to do, if anything, can do that, bang, and carry on. Like, it doesn't need to carry on this whole massive bottom wick. It doesn't mean it has to come back till Asia highs. So you can't gamble just on one thing of a 4 hour not having a bottom wick. What's the plan for gold? Bro, I just analyzed it a few minutes ago, so go back. But I have an idea, but I most unlikely will get it. But go back and you can go watch the breakdown on it. Good afternoon, guys. If PMI comes out lower, our indices will fall, right? Yeah, so if it comes out lower, that is better for the dollar, meaning gold and equities will come down. And if it comes out higher, obviously that's weaker for the dollar and stronger for equities and gold. So that's what we're just going to keep an eye on for, guys. So see what happens. 12 more minutes. What is going to happen? It's time to put the pressure on, guys. Time to put the pressure on. Oh, how are we going to finish this week? DXY just tanking, guys. Taking those lows. Thing is, for me, guys, if you look at that, DXY really is just flushing, and you've got a bit of a news event now to indice it as well, to just break and flush all the way down to these lows it needs to go to. So yeah, it really just is not looking good for the dollar. Rewind a little bit, couldn't see. Are you taking an entry on gold if it breaks 2001? No, I'm not. Just go back, you will find it. I'm not going to go run through all of it again. But I'm not taking an entry of 2001. No. That is, it's a very risky entry. Because end of the day, you've got those highs there. So yes, you've cleared. Yeah, if anything, you've got this little resistance. Now you can take the trade off breaking, but that's still very, very high risk, if anything. Yeah, it's not a trade I would take. GU in now on a daily resistance level. USD JPY should be going down next. What about US30? Go back and rewind, guys. You can go see all the breakdowns already. US30 is there. It's in a green trend. As I say, guys, just go back. You guys can go watch the breakdown on US30 and gold.
So guys, from my side, if Euro USD closes bearish in this 5-minute candle below the pivot, I'm gonna take a short little sell.
So you're bullish on the dollar.
Yeah.
Interesting. Interesting.
And we're also at the S1 currently on the dollar, so if we could have a change of character to take place over here, that would be perfect. But it could potentially flush down because we're right near the yearly open and the weekly open, so for price to push down a bit more is very likely. But seeing that we now swept yesterday's low, that could have easily it could have easily been just a sweep of liquidity, and we could now see price go to the upside. But let's wait and see.
I wish you the best of luck, my brother.
Thank you, thank you.
What's up, my G's? Never like having you, my man. Are you drinking coffee? A bit of a random question, but yes, I am drinking coffee. News in 24 minutes. Yeah, we are waiting for PMIs. Don't you worry. What trade and broker are you guys using, please? I'm busy using Vault Funder. So I'm busy with doing a Funder challenge. This week was slow, luckily closing our 3% for the week. That's the thing, bro, we were talking about. It's been a rough week. It feels like you got to grind it out a bit this week, but luckily still closing the week in profit, so that's all that matters. DXY is bearish on the 4-hour and daily. Yes, it is. Well done. I'm glad you spotted that and listened in on the analysis. But let's see, Chad. Let's see what we can get. I'm really looking for something nice here on NAS and US30. Both of these trades looking very, very good to me. Jeff, is that lychee raspberry?
No, it's grape ice. Not my first choice, but yeah.
I love this week, no lie. Yeah, bro. Like I said, it was a grind, but we got there in the end. Do you think long on NAS? Oh my word, guys! Like I just, I don't know. Like, is it just me? Like coincidence that these questions always get asked like after I just answer the questions, or what? But yes, I'm long on NAS. Go back, watch the analysis. You'll see what I'm looking for. But I am long on NAS. They're all late to the stream. Yeah, guys, but you know that's always the thing. We always say people they run African time. People don't want to miss out, but then they're always late. Sorry, I just jumped into the live. Oh no stress. I get that. I'm just saying we talk about it like it's always just a coincidence. Like I'll finish literally like breaking down something or ask a question, and then obviously someone that's new joins the stream, and then they ask you again. Like they're just like, bro, I just went over like 2 seconds ago. That's why. No, I knew. That's why I still said I probably reckon it's someone that just joined in, but it's always just a coincidence how it works out. But let's see, guys. 5 minutes till market open. Let's see. DXY closing below the S1, but looking to still hold as a little bit of support. So let's see what happens. Do you use news What? Do you use news buy stop and sell stop? No, I don't. That is gambling. If you want to do that and trade news, then trade news properly, enter beforehand and go one way. Jev, our analysis is aligned to we go into print.
Oh yes, definitely, definitely.
Car culture. So you're also bullish on the dollar, my brother. You both look like pro traders with your line shirts. Love it.
Okay guys, so Euro USD has given us that bearish close. So what I want to see now basically is on the 1 minute time frame, that you obviously can see now based on that 5 minute we have those bearish candles, and then that bullish candle that lines up with the pivot. When price touches that, which is technically a supply zone, I want to sell from that level. So I want to see a slight pullback.
Alright. So yeah, Jev, just let us know if you do enter.
We'll do.
Obviously the guys are aware, but you know some of the guys are drinking their coffee and falling asleep. So we don't want them to have a heart attack on our flight. Just let them know when they can get in on that trade. PMI is going to be bullish, Keeks, 100% certain. Read a lot of financial reports this morning. Thanksgiving plus Christmas. Companies have earned great this week. Wait. Are you just saying as in PMI is going to be bullish? As in it's going to come out higher? Or the result is going to be bullish? Can JPY pairs keep on going forever? Yeah, until JPY makes changes to the inflation rules, then yeah, bullish for DXY. Interesting, brother. Interesting. As I said, bro, it can. This can be where it makes its comeback, but I am I'm the opposite way, bro. So that's why I say it's all up to people how they want to take it. If you guys, like I said, I honestly, you guys know I do my research and my stuff and all of that for CPI and NFP and those things. PMI I don't really give a shit about, so I haven't looked at anything. So yeah, bro, if that is what you're saying, if you have read up on stuff, then 100% can be, but I'm just leaning more to the bearish side, just because of technicals and overall. So when you do fundamentals, for example, PMI falls under rate hikes and inflation, right? So majority has come out bearish, meaning PMI should also be bearish in a quick nutshell. But like I said, I haven't actually looked into the results and actually did anything understanding or research about it for this PMI release. Gold culture, you can bet your money on the line if you're so certain. Your gold PMI prediction, as I say, guys, for me, I'm bearish, but gold culture and Jevon are bullish on the dollar. So that's it. Geeks, you reckon you're taking a punt at December CPI? Thinking of doing the same on a separate small account, bro. I 100% am. I haven't missed so far since we've done the streams. I haven't missed CPI once, so 100% I am doing it for December. I did it last year and literally paid for my one trade in like 5 minutes, paid for my whole December holiday. So basically I'm gonna go for the same thing again. You should go down to and then buy from there. I'm going to law. Just give me my opinion. Could be wrong, could be right. No, bro, give your opinion. Like again, I'm not bunting you, bro. I'm saying like I haven't done any research into it. If you say you have, and that's it, definitely can be. You can be right, bro. That's how you develop yourself as a trader. You've got to like start backing yourself and start growing your understanding of the markets. So the fact you are doing your research and spending the time on it, I already take my hat off to that. Jeff, did you take the position on EU?
Not as yet. Waiting for price to pull back to 1.09246.
Alright. Keys, you're going to stream CPI. I don't know, bro. I don't know. I will see about it, how I feel. Do it live or it never happened. Bro, that's fine. That's exactly the attitude why I didn't do last one. Because I don't need anything to prove to anyone. I can make my money and chill by myself. I don't need to prove anything or any shit
Now,
to
honestly,
anyone.
I think last time we traded news, it was only the two of us.
Yeah, Jeff was right next to
Yeah,
me.
I took Keegan's signal and I doubled my account, literally in seconds.
Yeah, that's what I said. I don't have shit to prove to anyone. That's what I was getting to. But again, guys, I will see about how I feel. I do it for the community, but there's also some idiots out there, which it's those exact attitudes. Yeah, I'm like, why do I waste my time? I'm addressing Victor Keys. Your response was perfect. Oh, okay, cool, man. Can't wait to see the results. Lol. If you don't stream it, you don't stream it. Please drop hints in London session so I can look for it. No, guys, I 100% will do that. For the guys that rock up and they commit, as always, like last time, I will drop hints and give you my little analysis, little Easter eggs. I want you guys can try put together for what I'm going to do. But again, we'll see. Maybe Chris talks me into it, but we'll see. Keeks, USD is definitely going to move vertically. Lol. Yeah, bro, that thing's gonna go one way. Like, you're either going to get an entry and you're gonna be part of it, or this thing's just gonna rocket and you're gonna miss it. LL is taken out in Nas. Peaches. Yeah, I understand. Steve L, one of those guys that pays for NFP signals, will be out here. If you have 100 dickheads in a chat, but you know you're at least helping one person, isn't that worth it? It is, but again, I just drop my Easter eggs because the people that rock up will be there and they'll see it. For example, I don't need to do a case of like think of it this way, guys. And markets are open, guys. Round 2, fight. But what I was gonna say is, 100% I do agree with you. Like, if it at least helps one person, it is. But at the same time, I
sorry,
don't need...
Geeks. Euro USD is at that zone. I'm gonna take that small sell now.
Right on, you're
Oh
live.
shit! Okay, shit. Wait, guys. Wait, don't take it yet. wait. It's moving too quickly.
Wait, what did I tell you?
Okay, go for it.
Alright. Okay, guys, Jeb's in on his trade. Jeb's in on his trade. So yeah, guys, if you're there with Jeb, it's Jeb's in on shorts on EU.
Stop loss is 7 pips.
There we go.
TP is 25 pips.
Okay, there we go, guys. You know what Jeb is looking at. But yeah, as I was just saying, guys, with that whole thing, I will drop my Easter eggs for my community, but I don't need to. If I do a CPI stream, yes, it's Nas playing out perfectly. Just going for that other support quickly, turning around. US30 jumping already, but let's see, can we get a bit of a pullback, guys? I'm still going to wait for that. But as I was saying, if you do a CPI stream, hundreds of people jump on just to, jump on, make money with me, but half of them are haters. I don't want to make money with those type of people. I want to make money with my community. So I will drop hints. I won't say when, but days before, I'll drop hints. So guys know exactly what I'm looking at. Because that's the thing, I'll predict this thing days before the time. So I'll drop all those hints, and then guys can start putting the pieces of the puzzle together and get the answer. So that it's not just this one guy rocks up one time and can get the answer for free. You know what I'm saying? Hello. You are the fucking goats. Really appreciate it, bro. A rocket US30, OMNT. Get the likes up. Maybe keep your trade CPR. We'll see, guys. We will see. Don't worry. It's not a done thing yet. It's just not confirmed. I always say if I say I'm doing something, I'm doing it. So I'm just not giving you guys that 100% answer yet. US30 flying up. Okay. All right. I study macroeconomics and fundamentals, but yes, I agree with you, broski. With me, we're quick on those hints, don't worry. Make sure you don't drop them in both streams though, so I don't have to watch the London stream playback. You can do it. Yeah, we'll see, guys. We will see. Let's just see, guys. So Nas already coming right back up. Like I said, if Nas can start closing above this zone, find support, that's what we want to be seeing on Nas. We're US30. We actually wanted to come down a bit more before we can enter on that. gold, literally as we said, that is out of our zone. I really don't see us getting an entry on gold at this point. DXY melting once again. So I don't want to say anything, but Jeff, how's that trade looking?
Oh, we're in a bit of throwdown.
But you got, like I said, maybe car culture is gonna save you. Yeah, he's predicted PMI right for you. Then you guys are gonna save, and you guys are gonna get shot into those profits.
Yeah, as long as it holds, as long as this level holds.
But let's see, guys. Let's see. Fat week on Nas, she hard bullish, yeah. Them, it's Black Friday, me, another day to trade, lol. Yeah, bro, I must say, I find it very, very hilarious. Some of these brokers like doing Black Friday specials.
I saw one broker lower their spreads just for Black Friday.
Bro, it's been crazy. I think it's like people jump at it. That's what amazes me. It's like people jump at it and be like, oh, lowered spreads. Ooh, like more drawdown. Bro, if you can't trade, you can't trade. That's not going to benefit you anymore. I haven't entered yet, lol. 5 minutes for news only and only entering gold. Okay. So you basically, okay, Carcode, you basically trade in the news though. So that's alright. Jeff, would you show your TP, please? Alright, I'm going to put Jeff's screen on for you now. Jeff, you're live, brother.
Okay, so TP is literally at the daily open at 1.08995.
There you have it, guys. So that's Jeff's TP. Oh yeah, Nas did close 5 minutes, literally on the money on that zone, but still nothing. I'm waiting for the 50-minute shuffle, guys. I must say the 50-minute shuffle has saved me a few times with US30 and Nas. So I actually really do like to stick to that with Nas and that. Obviously, dollar going down if this dollar does continue to mount. Nas and gold. Nas, US30, gold, all going to go to the moon. Obviously, that's what I'm looking for. So let's just be patient and wait. The PMI today, sorry, just finished work. Yeah, PMI is at 4:45, bro. So in a few minutes. DXY bloodbath incoming. Yeah, I think it's going to be brutal. Because I think, like, even technically, everything's bearish. Where if PMI does come out that it's bullish for the dollar, I think a lot of people are going to get hurt. All that liquidity left on Nas for downside to be filled with news. Let's go dollar strength. Alright, guys, so Alverno is also on the team bulls for the dollar. Keenan, good afternoon, Keys, Jev, and the Chad. Hope everyone's good. Hope you're well, my brother. Yo, Rocket League special. Take your account for free only on Black Friday. I've been long on silver since the early hours of this morning. Oh, lekker, my man. I must say, I've never opened up a silver chart in my life, so I have no clue what's going on there. I'm holding a small buy lot in 1997. We'll add more, maybe. What's happening with GJ? I don't know, bro. We are not watching GJ right now. Jev's watching EU, and I'm watching NAS and US30. US30 going off, guys. Maybe we might not get that entry on US30, but I'd love to still get in on NAS. That is still, I think, where the money is at for us. So let's just be patient. Let's see what we can get you. Let's see what we can get. Only thing is, guys, literally after this 50-minute shuffle, news is going to come out. So it's going to be very, very interesting. But as also, guys, I won't take a half-assed entry. We've got news coming out, like I said. It is a Friday, so it's the end of the week. Markets are almost done playing out. It's been a good week. It's also getting close to month end. So for me, not something I want to ruin my week and go into the weekend in a bad mood. But Nas looks like it's gonna go just do that little wick fill quickly. Just a general question: how many of you had a reduced win rate this week? It's okay because it's been a tough. Really hope next week has something better in store. Personally, I had an amazing week. I did 16% this week, so was a really good week. But yeah, been good. Hey guys, been so busy this week, so I haven't been able to join. Just dropping into like and wish you all a stellar weekend. Much love all Awesome, brother. Really appreciate the support, even you just popping in. Much love. Hope you have a good one, bro. Nathan Williams, Victor, you can hold silver till Q1 next year. Damn. Guys, just some love. Hit that like. Yeah, guys. 230 people and only 64 likes, guys. Come on, let's get those likes up to 150, guys. Hello, for how long are you trading in overall? As in trade, like how long have I been trading, or how long is the stream? No, of course, 10% myself, very happy indeed. Yeah, it actually was a good week. Let's just say, as much as it was a hard week, like it actually was very, very good, surprisingly. Compared to like last week was actually a tough week where like I had to grind it out. That was a tough one. I've been trading for 4 years. Do you ever, I know we've actually said this in the podcast, but how long have you been trading?
Since 2017.
Damn. Okay, so that's like, 6 years, 7 years, 6?
My 6th year, yes.
Yeah, 6 years, yeah. Jay, let's get ready. Last 5 minutes.
AB,
how's the trade looking, Jay?
AB, I might cut Euro USD before the news.
Woohoo!
Our stop might also just be hit just now.
Woo!
It's 1 pip away.
Woo! It's getting close there, Jeff.
0.5 pips. What I wanted to initially see was just the price pump us into profit and then consolidate there. And then when the news comes, adjust stop and then basically ride it out. But it happens.
You think you're going to last 3 minutes and 30 seconds?
Potentially. Hopefully. But no, I don't think so.
Keegs and Jeff, do you guys ever hold long term, like months or weeks? Nah, bro. Nah.
No.
I think the longest I have held and would hold is like in a week. So like 3 days, 4 days, something like that. But no, I wouldn't hold weeks and months, bro. I'm too antsy. Like, it's something I want to do. 100%, I want to do it. So maybe that's something I'm just add like for my list for next year. Is like, I want to maybe put some money in an account and enter like a trade and literally do like proper research, all my stuff into it, like how I approach fundamentals, and like enter a trade that I leave for like months, like 3 months, and see what happens. Anyone have a punt on CPR? There's no CPR, it's just PMR, bro. But it's now in 2.5 minutes. Your recommendation for beginner, is it better to trade crypto or Forex market? Others saying crypto is better at the beginning. Is it bigger? Is it true? So for me personally, guys that want to trade crypto, it's purely because of the spreads and how quicker it is on crypto than what it is on Forex. But that is just an excuse because they can't trade. If I can trade on a smaller spread and a much slower market and still make triple the amount of profits they do on crypto. So that's just an excuse for guys that can't trade. But otherwise, it's up to you if you want to do crypto or Forex. Let's go, Jeff. Added another sell, team dollar.
Sure. Guys,
I hold
risky.
cryptos for months. I seem to enjoy holding long term. I would like to do that with crypto. Bro, when you hold for a long time, some brokers don't want to pay out then. Yeah, that's why I'll make sure I'm with a legit broker when I do that. And a lot of the guys, like, we all are connected and stuff, so it's nice when you have your connections, like, to places where you're not working through customer support. You can work with like the big bosses and be like, bro, where's my money at? All sounds the same to me. My position's in profit, trading stop lot. Let's go. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Did you guys get it right? Did you guys get it right? Let's see, 20 seconds. Let's see, car culture. Did you get it right, my brother? Did you get it right? Let's look here, guys.
Sure, but if you added another position, that means you have a very tight stop loss. Sure. If it plays out in our favor,
Let's
I'm
see,
very happy for
guys.
you.
Let's see.
Oh shit. Oh no. Oh shit. Come on, decide.
Oh. 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 We're good, boys. The boys are stressing now.
Regarding someone's question, AB trade, did I get out of the trade? No, I did not. My risk is calculated. There we go. There we go.
Are you still in the trade?
Yeah.
Did you survive that?
Bro, look here. Where's my personal account? Look where it turned around.
Bro, that's madness. That's madness, bro. Nah, madness. I wasn't really like much though. Like nothing really happened. We blew on EU. I'm up 10% already. Yo, bro. Well done, car culture. Well done, my man. Didn't really do much to the market, but well done, my brother. Well done. Let's see, guys. Let's see. US30. Let's see what's gonna happen, guys. Let's see. Yeah, JV, you guys really got lucky with that trade, eh? Yes, sir.
The only thing is, I'm not in profit yet. It's
Oh.
literally right above my entry.
Oh.
Let me go call the market maker quick. Now I'm joking. Just gonna give me something to drink quick.
Come on, US30. Give us something. Give us something. Alright, guys. I might take this US30, yeah. I might take this. If the thing doesn't run away from us. If it doesn't run away from us. You seeing the bar coming up on US30? Yeah, that's what I'm looking at, guys.
Oh, we missed a nice sell on gold. I didn't look at it. Better have been up now instead of the shitty EU trade.
Eesh, bro. Nas is just falling. Nah, bro, Nas is gonna come back now. Don't you worry. Nas is gonna come back now. Think we got a nice volume with new hourly candles.
Okay guys, I'm gonna scratch this EU trade. Would have wanted to see profit by now, but not what I want to see, so I'm gonna scratch it here, minus 3 pips.
Yo, chat, okay. I need to go pee. Jeff, I'm put it on your screen quickly, alright?
All good?
I need to go, guys. I'll be back.
DXY is just tanking. Where does DXY want to go? The fact that we're holding the open is a sign that we could go to the upside. We could pump lower to the weekly open and then only go up. But I think I'm done for the week. I'm not going to mess up my week like this.
Oh shit, Chad. Oh shit. Oh shit.
DXY is
Running
rude.
away from us. Guys, I don't want to say, a little birdie told you that DXY was bearish. To be fair, Carl Culture called the initial move right. Like, spot on, bro. You did get that right. But I think, yeah, that it was very short-lived after that. DXY, yes, is dying, guys. I said this is just gonna happen. Nas, Nas and US30 look like they're gonna hurt people now. US30 Chop City. I would have loved to enter there, guys. Oh wait, hold on, you guys can see my screen. I would have loved to enter on this one, guys, but again, that was like on the money there, so very, very choppy to enter on that. Nas looking good. Thing is, guys, there's no support here yet, so I'd love to take this now. We've shown that the bulls are coming to the party, but my only thing is there's not initial thing. So maybe if we get like some type of doji candle or something, and then we can break that, that'll be nice. But again, this trade now can run all the way back to Asia highs. So something like Asia highs, but I think long term we want to see how this 15 closes, but literally can go all the way back to Asia highs, guys. I expected more, but got what needed, so no complaints. Lol. Yeah, bro. Like I said, you still called the initial spike was bullish, so you still called that right, brother. So hats off to that. Yeah, guys. I don't know if maybe I'm just flipping off asleep here, like. But again, like I said, I'm not gonna take something risky now. There's no need to, so yeah, no need to take something unnecessary. So for me, bloodbath is incoming, more to come. As I say, guys, yeah, it's beautiful trade, but yeah, nothing to actually take it off of. That would have just been a gamble if I told you just buy off that support. DXY melting though, as we did say that though, so being a bit of a rough one. I said I think a few people got hurt there. Thanks, but I got a degree in macroeconomics, so I try my best to nail the fundies. Gold holding nicely. Have a look. Let's see what gold's doing. Ooh, yeah, but gold will continue up. As I said, DXY is gonna die now, so gold should go up. Nas should run away. US30 gonna run away. US30 maybe we can look at something. Yeah, at the daily resistance. Nas. Yeah, as I said, Nas is nice though, in the sense that there is these areas we can look at. So for me, I wouldn't look at the next support. I'd probably look at this flip zone of when we start flipping bullish, and then I'd start looking at our Asia range to start traveling up. For me, that's probably what I'd be looking at with Nas. Dollar going for 103 flat. Jeff, on to the next. Were you still in the trade?
No, I scratched EU.
Yeah, you did scratch it, yeah. No, that was rough. Lost 1% today on EU. What would your entry price for Nas be? Bro, I would have... So like I said, firstly, I told you it was going to come with the support. Then, reason being, it is our support too. And secondly, we can see how we had this massive wick down and we held over here. So when we were induced again by news, we know we can go back up off of this area. And once we had that closure, literally above it, on it, we knew we were golden over there. So if you were really risky, if you had some balls, you could have just ended straight off the bat there. But that's why I say there's no actual like entry criteria. If anything, you would have just waited for this bullish candle to come in and entered off that. But like I said, when you're just taking straight off a support, then I prefer looking at like a 15 minutes. So 15, you can see how it rejected, and on the 15 you'd like to see it closing bullish but also closing above this candle, so almost engulfing that previous candle. But again, nothing actually on the money for the trade, so that's the only thing with it, guys. DXY going to break 103. Yeah, guys, I think when that breaks 103, it is just going to flush.
I'm still bullish on the DXY. I think it's gonna go up.
Still,
Yeah, we had the weekly open, so it could this candle could move back up above 103 460 and hold it.
Alrighty.
Victor says Bitcoin and altcoins will pump over the weekend. So you think Ripple will pump too? You're gonna bring the volume there to Ripple.
Oh, if that happens, then Jeff's happy. Then he's smiling.
Yo, bro, if Ripple goes to what I think it's gonna go to over time, I'll be fucking rich, bro. Yo. Don't know anyone after that. Yeah, Karen.
US30. Oh, guys. Yes, as if we flipping just took that trade. But again, guys, that didn't take the high for me. That's I can't. Like I said, I'm not gonna take half-assed entries now, guys. There's no need to ruin my weekend before it's even started. DXY had its chance for the bullish. It's game over now. Yeah, bro. It's yeah. Like I said, also, bro, if you know me, I'm very, very fundamental heavy. I love my fundamentals. So, as I said, PMI didn't say the actual PMI release, but PMI falls under brackets, and those brackets it is all bearish, overwhelming. That's what's consumed the dollar. Can you look at GPUSD as its 4-minute AMD? Jeff, I'm holding quite a bit of Ripple as well. I'll look at G for you quickly, purely because we don't have anything we can get in on. GPUSD. Yes. Oh, that's why. It's like, why? Where's all my stuff? Bro, there's nothing. Like, you can't take anything off of this. That thing's just gone. That thing's a rocket ship. If anything, that would have been your entry, yeah. Off the resistance, you use that as support. Once you had the break there, bam, enter. But that was your best shot. After that, this thing's just gone. DXY falling to pieces. Damn. Nas, US30, gold, DXY absolutely crumbling. Can we distribution on the 1 minute? US30, Nas. Oh, maybe guys, maybe you Nas has some type of pullback. We can get an entry on Nas, because that's the only thing I see that might come back still. Let's set something over there. But yeah, US30. I just don't see us getting anything, guys. I just don't see it. Doesn't look like it wants to give it to us. US30 obviously absolutely gone. Gold, there we go. DXY again being destroyed. USD CAD is racing to the south. Jeff, I'm still holding one of your USD series sells from Wednesday, 50 pips.
Oh, nice, nice. Proud of you, man. Yeah, I closed that because I'm not really a Swiss franc fan. I would just take it with you guys for the profits and close the moment I hit my target, but not really into swinging those pairs. I don't really trade.
Yes, it's USD. Flippin' hell. Bro, it's always these ones where it's like the half-ass entry, like it meets your criteria, but it doesn't meet your criteria. Like it's on the verge of it. And that's the trade that flies. Yes, as DXY is, whew, that is brutal. That truly is brutal. DXY, I think is gonna go a long way down. I really think that is gonna go a long way down. Gold. I don't get why Nas is backing so much though. Like everything else is feeling it. US30 like taking off everything. Nas still like hanging around here. So maybe Nas is a bit delayed. I don't know. But Nas, yeah, somehow Nas just isn't getting away. Let's see, guys. Let's see. US30 still bullish.
Okay, Victor, I have a question for you. All crypto space will feel the DXY crash. So I have a question for you quickly. And I'm genuinely asking this. So why is it that, for instance, if you look at what like the dollar has done, let me quickly look for an example. Sometimes you would have news for the dollar, the USD would spike, but Ripple would stand dead still. Why do you think that happens? I don't know if it's the same with all cryptos, but I've just noticed that news comes, it doesn't affect Ripple.
Guys, getting into the crypto talks here. Bro, this is actually really like, I know Nas sometimes is a bit behind, but like, yo, Nas is like really behind. I mean, US30 has done what? Justice. That's crazy actually how much that's moved already. And Nas, when was this? They are there. Like yo. Gold took off. DXY. Like yes, which broker you use? Vault Funder. I'm currently doing funding challenges, bro.
I think I'm ending my week here. Nothing else that tickles my bottom.
Sure, bro. I don't know what Nas's thing is. Nah, this is what's bothering me is Nas is there, like it's giving us the chance to get in, but at the same time I'm like, but why is it happening? You know what I mean? It's like it's giving me the chance, but why is it giving you the chance? Like everything else is dying. Why is Nas not? Something. I don't know, guys. Something's just giving me a bad feeling. Like somebody's telling me like don't enter Nas. Actionable guys, do you think DSY's got more room to the downside? 100% it does. I think that thing can crash. There are economic reports on companies within NAS. Yo, could be. Definitely could be. Just want to know if you compound your crypto or hold one price. Nas does it often. Shop that only moves at like, yeah, that really is Nas though, bro. It really is sometimes. Cause yo, I really want to jump in on it. Like it's there, but
So at all, Jeff, just want to know if you compound your crypto or hold one price. Okay, so first things first, I'm very against crypto. I don't believe and okay, we can't deny where the world is going, but I have a lot of conspiracies behind crypto and where the world is heading, control, lack of freedom and stuff like that. There's only one crypto I'm invested in, and that is Ripple. So yeah, just keep on buying coins basically and hoping for them to accumulate, so by the time we actually have that pump which they're talking about to $10,000 per coin, then I'll become rich. But not just that, there is reasoning also behind investing into Ripple. Like if you look at a lot of other crypto projects, what's the point of it? What's the point? What actual purpose do they serve? You know, yeah. A good example of this was what was it called? Quickly just double check what it was called. Oh yes. It was called DBA from Dafri Bank, the digital bank of Africa. They had a white paper and everything like that for why Africa needs their own currency, and turns out it was a scam. Myself and one of my clients, we invested a lot of money into them, like I think something like 15,000 rand, and yeah, we just never got our return. We can't even withdraw our crypto. I can't remember the last time we tried doing it. So that's a good example how people will even use crypto as, oh, is this good cause, but in reality it's no cause at all. Oh, okay. So Victor, that is why we have these unexpected spikes that occur on Ripple. Like for instance, the one came through on Monday, that took out the 4-hour highs. Is that what you mean? So they just not slower, but the effect comes afterwards.
I'm bullish on Nas, bro. Yeah, bro, this Nas trader, oh my word. I really want to take it, guys. I really want to, but there's something's like telling me.
Your mind's telling you no, but your body.
There's just something. The fact it didn't fly away, like everything else, something's telling me no. I grew up here and bought Nas. Well, I hope it goes your way. I really hope so. Nas looks yummy. Yeah. Listen to the voice in your head, brother. Yeah. I have no clue what the hell all that crap's about. Thing is, you've got these lows over here, guys, of these wicks. So that's with the S2, that's what we're basically bouncing off of. And look at there, Nas starting to flush. What the hell?
That guy who just posted that stock tip is crypto. What's your reasoning for that stock tip? Because remember, when it comes to trading stocks, bro, it's a different ball game.
bro, I honestly can't tell you what Nas is doing at this point. Like, that just closed under the lows. Like, I can't buy that, guys. Time for shimmies. Hey, thanks for the stream, guys. Have a great weekend. We kill in the markets next week. 100%, bro. 100%. I can't buy Nas now. Damn. Apple, Nvidia, and Amazon, all big tech struggling, keeps going down. Yeah. That's why I said it's something which is telling me don't. And look at Nas now. Sometimes you just gotta listen to those gut feelings, guys. Sometimes you just gotta listen to those gut feelings.
No, Victor, I do get that. I do get that because obviously, if we trade it, we can make money. But I always tell people this, like a good example, ne? Let's say you trade copper. So if you trade copper, for instance, as for instance, the people on Wall Street and so forth, if we invest in copper and let's say I say demand goes up, actual copper has to be dug up then. So for instance, if you usually in third world countries and stuff like that, there will be like people who live in a certain area, then they have copper under their properties. The governments would then literally displace those people out of their homes, and then just for making money. So my point with that is like, I do get the fact that on crypto we can make money, but I always say that whatever you invest in, like read up the term impact investing. I'm gonna drop it here in the chat, and then you guys can go do some research on it, and you'll see my reasoning why I say like I'm very highly selective for what I invest in. Also, Case, can you quickly share my screen?
Yeah, there you go, brother.
The guy also asked now, is his crypto the one who get stock tip? When I asked him what's it backed on, the only time I trade stocks, I come to this website over here called Capital Trades. Now, if you're politically exposed, you have to like declare everything publicly. So literally, you can look at politicians invested into certain stocks, and then if you go to trades, you'll see that. So here's Doris, she is a Democrat. Yes, Michael, he's a Republican. Sometimes you'll see people like Nancy Pelosi, them on here. And obviously, if they invest into things like, and I mean, you can see the amount of money they also invest. So once you can catch this at the right time and you trade a stock, every single trade I've taken a stock, Facebook, Google, Amazon, every single stock I've taken so far, I've literally just copied politicians. So just a quick tip as well, something that you guys can use in the future in case you do want to trade stocks.
Yeah. Yo, guys, I don't even think we're gonna get anything personally. It's literally a bit all over the place, guys. Just a little all over the place. No, Nas starting off, that's like no man's land now, guys. Nothing I can take off of Nas. US30. Is DXY turning around? Ooh, it is. Damn. Yeah, the DXY's got a grind to do now. DXY has got to grind. Sure. Is gold going to be rejected from the 2000 area again?
Jeff, I read the article ISO 220. Yes, it looks very familiar. I just checked it up now. Isn't this the thingy for the new financial system, the new SWIFT system that they're going to introduce to us very soon? Isn't that the one that's going to be backed on crypto?
DXY is bullish, bro. No, it's not, bro. Go show me anywhere that it's bullish. The market is literally 0.32% down on the day. All your time frames, it is bearish, so please show me where it's bullish. Just because it has moved one 5-minute candle bullish does not mean it's bullish now.
Team Crypto, yes sir. Are you referring to the thing I just said regarding the new Swift system? Okay. Yeah, you see, that is why I'm invested into Ripple, because Ripple's actually called the banker's coin. So, okay, don't want to dive into conspiracy here. Can you share my screen again?
Oh yes, here we go.
So, okay, quickly. When we first had digital money, it was PayPal. Founded by who? Elon. PayPal was first known as X. What is X known as today? It's Twitter, right? So if you look at the logo of X, so this is X's logo. There is Ripple's logo. Don't you think that's a coincidence? How it looks very similar in the same colors, and Elon's the guy who, the richest man in the world. He came up with all these innovative ideas. So that's technically why I'm invested into Ripple. Team Crypto, David Schwartz is Satoshi. Satoshi is the FBI, the US government. The US government created crypto.
Oh yeah, are we getting to these conversations now?
Because think about it this way, ne? How can politicians... Okay guys, think about this, ne? Good example. All politicians use crypto. Listen to why I say that, because technically it is untraceable. But tell me quickly something. Riddle me this. If a politician steals money, why can't that money ever be found? It's cryptocurrency. So, if they can't track the crypto, they can't make it public, because that's when basically people will see that crypto is traceable and that, it's not as anonymous as we think it is. Because also think about it this way. Any blockchain, quick example. If you go to Luno obviously gives each client their wallet. If you go to Luno and you tell them, search up this wallet under our company, I promise you, your KYC will be there, so that that wallet is linked to your name. So if any agency wants to look into exchanges, they can track your crypto, but they will never make it public, because that will sway the public away from investing to big, because it will be back to how everything is public, everything is tracked, and so forth. Yeah, I agree with you there, Lucas, because XRP is currently the fastest when it comes to the transactions. Yes. Team Crypto, very, very true. It's called XRP, but Ripple backs it, because Ripple is actually technology. You're not buying the crypto, you're actually investing into this technology of the future.
Yes, you guys. You guys can sit here and argue over your crypto.
Traders chat, Africa. What if all this crypto stuff is another FTX scam? FTX is a completely different entity compared to the crypto market as a whole. Please don't compare all of crypto to Sam Bankman-Fried. That nerd.
Oh, my Nas, bro. I hope you didn't buy Nas, my man. There is no reason or anything to actually buy that off of. US30 still doing the work again. Like it's like making a trend there, guys. It's closing just under the highs to then continue pumping. Just going back to say I caught gold sales from the same entry as earlier, another 25 pips low. Keys, what's your of choice? What's your beverage of choice, like bottle? So I must say I'm a brandy guy, but as of late, bro, I've just been drinking a lot of Hennessy. Yeah, I must say I enjoy it. Nas playing games. KW 20 years done. Nah, bro. I'm a Ricky Low guy. If it is brandy, I'm a Ricky Low guy. Nas trying to turn around, but again, just melting the whole time. Ooh, good taste. What about Binance gets things done? Safe to say, DAX USD up, Nas down. Bro, I have no words for these things, but I'm like I say, for me, nothing on the table today, guys. Like I will happily just call it and leave it. Nothing on the table for me. Oh, my boy's too used to Henny now, feeling like KDV or Johnny Walker Blue today. Oh, the lad. Nah, still dying. US30. Oh. Alright, guys. I think for myself, I like to say I'm done. I'm calling it a weekend. I'm not gonna trade anything. Markets are all over the place. No clue what is going on. We missed the entry on gold or before our session, and obviously US30 ran before us, and Nas has no clue what the other's doing. So I'd rather just leave it and come back on Monday. No need to, again, as I say, ruin the weekend. Jeff, are you looking at anything, brother?
Oh no, DXY gave me analysis paralysis. So now I'll be back next week, guys, looking for some trades. Not gonna force anything. If you guys wanna mess up your weekend, this is the perfect way to do it. If you wanna force something right now.
100%. I mean, check, Nas just absolutely bringing the pain to people.
And also think about it this way, guys. And look at what the market has been doing. So if you look at, DXY for instance, it's been dropping the entire day. It's end of the week, so it could easily keep on flushing now, just to induce people to continue following the trend. And then you'll see when market opens next week, Monday, and you have gaps. That could easily happen.
No, definitely can.
And those gaps are what's gonna hurt you, because you might have something like they jump through your stop, or there's a lot of things how they could hurt you.
Yeah.
And then not only do you, that's even worse. Starting your week off like that.
No, definitely, brother. But right, then that is it from my side. Jeff. So you good? We're gonna call it, bro.
Yeah, we good. You can
I'd
call
rather,
it.
like I say, no need to mess up our weekend. Rather come back early next week and we can kill it. So right, guys, I think for myself and Jeff, that is it. I hope you guys have an amazing weekend. Enjoy your time. Don't do something stupid on the market now. There's no FOMO. There's no reason to try and force something. It is Friday. Finish the week strong. We can come back next week, Monday, new week, new opportunities. So I hope you guys will have a great weekend. Stay safe, and we'll see you guys on Monday, nice and early for the opening bell with myself and Chris, and the New York session with myself and Jeff once again. But other than that, guys, I hope you have a lucky weekend. Enjoy it. Stay safe. Peace and love, guys. Cheers.
Check you guys Monday. Have a great weekend, gents and ladies. Oh, my thing is behind this now. What just happened to USDT?